Hey, Cameron here with Werner showing off our R3 concrete anchor. We have the old style here. This is the traditional concrete lollipop style anchor. As you can see here, this is just a fixed D-ring. The new R3 has an omni-directional D-ring, so that's going to mitigate any connector rollout. Another nice feature is that it has a tri-wedge design, all enclosed. The older style has some exposed braids here. So if you get any slurry or dust down into the hole, it can get jammed up and you need to use a screwdriver to tap it out. If any of these braids do get nicked or damaged at all, you do have to take that anchor out of service. So the R3 anchor is a truly reusable concrete anchor. Drill a 3/4 diameter hole, 3.5 inches deep, blow out that hole, and then install the anchor. It's good up to 5,000 uses and is truly a reusable concrete anchor.